Hello friends, we the students of NJ Institute of Engineering and Technology are currently working on a project of electricity production with the use of wind energy and water energy. Our project was thoroughly guided by our professor, Sir Mehul Puri. Originally, the electricity is produced from windmill. We all know that windmill uses wind energy as a source which converts it into mechanical energy by the use of turbine, blades and other mechanical rotating parts. Now, due to this conversion of one energy to other source of energy, this whole system requires a lot of maintenance. People living nearby windmill installed gets disturbed in their daily life. Plus, there is a major loss of bird life. Now, to overcome the demerits and flaws of windmill, we designed a new project of electricity production without any use of mechanical turbines, blades or any rotating parts, naming electrostatic wind energy converter. The basic fundamental of this system is to produce electricity with use of water particles as charged particles that can be positively charged or negatively charged by ring electrodes. These electrodes are fitted into this nozzle. These charged particles are sprayed out from this nozzle, and due to the wind flow from this direction, the charged particles collide with the collector fitted in the vertical direction. Now, due to this collision of charged particles, there arises a potential difference in the collector, and by continuous flow of wind, the charged particles will thereby settle on the collectors, and potential difference will rise. Now, due to this potential difference, rise of potential difference, electric field is generated, and we can get electric charge as due to the sudden flow of wind, these charged particles will collide with the collector, and thereby potential difference will reach to its maximum value. We can extract this potential difference to charge storage or capacitor, and thereby we can generate electricity and we can use whenever we want. The basic advantage of this system is that there is no human effort required, plus time consuming is less, and to minimum input we can get much greater output. So basically we are trying to implement this into local industries, hospitals, schools to overcome and to minimize the use of windmill, so to get much easily output. Thank you.